Hello guys, this is Ashwini and today I'll talk about using StackViews in iOS. So first of all, I would like to talk about what are StackViews and what they are useful for. So basically, there are some problems when you render views dynamically, and let's say you have four views like you can see on screen. You need to remove any one of them. So in this case, what you have to do, either you will have some constraints that will arrange them relative to each other, and so with that, what will you do? You will, let's say I have to remove this price 10. Okay, this label. So what will you do? You will have to set the height constraint for 0 and hidden property to yes. Okay, with that, this way you can remove a view from a group of views. So basically UI stack view is used to uh, create a group of views, like a container of views. um, I can say if you are from Android background, you would have seen linear layout, relative layouts. These all are view groups. View groups are like which are the containers for multiple views. They can the views are arranged in a group, in a container. So stack view is same, a container for multiple views. So you can see here in stack view, I have created a stack view uh, in which I have a label spinner, that is the name of the product, image of the product, and after that I have two more labels uh, like price and the description of the product. So with and in this you can see uh, all views are arranged in vertical order. So stack view has got some properties, like I can go from here: axis, vertical, alignment, center, distribution, fill. So distribution is basically uh, like how would you like to fill the items. They will have equal space, they will retain their original space but will fill the stack view. So there are multiple properties with which you can play, and spacing is an important property in this. So this defines the spacing between the items in a stack view. Let's say if I change it to 20, the spacing will change, and there will be more space between the subviews. So with this, and alignment is basically how content is rendered in a stack view. Alignment, fill, leading, trailing, we can play with these values. When I use fill, it will go to full screen, and let's say when I use leading, it will take views to the leading space of the screen, and when I use trailing, it will take it to trailing. So when we are done with this, experimenting with this, so now I can set it to center. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate. And a stack view can contain another stack view, like there could be nested stack views as well. So this is important when you want to arrange um, you let's say you have some different arrangement for some views, for a subgroup of views, then you can use multiple stack views as well, the nested stack views. So in this case, I have created another stack view in which I have price and label. So the spacing between this price and label can also be managed using another stack view. Let's say the spacing between spinner and image is 20, and image and the inner stack view is 20. Now I can manage like spacing between these two. Let's say what I can see now, I have zero spacing here in this case. So with this way I can basically manage spacing between a subset of views as well. So okay, we're done with this. So now I'll just run this program and we'll see how it displays on the screen. So here it is: title, image of the product, price, and stress relief toy, like the description. So these all are arranged in the manner. Okay, now let's see if let's say I don't have the price value for this product. Let's say I don't have the price information. So I would let's say the product is maybe out of stock or any other, with any other reason. Okay, so let's say if I want to remove this price from here, I want to remove this label from here. So when I create a view dynamically, I have to manage it using constraints and hidden properties. Now I have to just set it hidden only in my code. I'll show you. So here it is. I have just commented this code. Now I'll just open this. So I have a IV outlet price label and it is hidden properties too. Now let's say when I try to run this program, here it is. Price label is removed without affecting the layout.